Hello everyone, so here we have the DyeBold web application, which you can access it by visiting dyebold.app, and we have 3 versions of the app. Today we're going to focus on the latest one, which is the BRY, Blue, Red, and Yellow 4.0, which is the actual app that matches the DyeBold dyes. So here you can actually calculate the target color, which is the original color of the carpet, by moving the blue, the red, and the yellow sliders. As you can see, it gives you a instant visual of what the color looks like. So once you capture the actual color that you are looking for, then you can go to the current and follow the same procedure. Typically, a bleach spot will have lost all of the blue, so typically you're going to have, more often than not, 0 blue, but you still have sometimes some red, and then usually yellow is the most stable color. And if you have taken the DyeBold Carpet Dye Made Easy course, you would know what these numbers actually mean in the process of restoring the bleach spot. So here, the application gives you that you need 24 blue and 20 red and 0 yellow. So by following the DyeBold method, that you're able to restore this yellow bleach spot to the original carpet color. All right. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. You can reach out to me on Facebook. My name is Isa. I'm the rug colorist.